Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the debate between should schools provide AI technology and the teacher should teach. So, I am in the favor of AI technology, and my team is supporting to AI. So, the first point is should the schools provide AI technology and the school teacher should teach in the school?
School provide AI technology based education. Teacher is teacher is most compulsory in the school, and without teacher cannot survive in a life, and without teacher cannot teach cannot teach well. Uh, uh, but more than AI, if a student have a if a student have a too much stress, and student and teacher both are between good bond, and the student is easily share our feeling to her teacher, because and except AI, student can't share feelings with a AI. So
I agree to your thoughts, but AI provide numbers of facility in our school life. Student personalize, and teachers are availability in school are limited, but AIs provide a many facilities in school life. To how to say that teachers are teaching well in school as compared to AI.
Human teacher may be not teaching well every subject in the area of every subject, which can limit the limit the depth of knowledge important.
I don't agree with this point, because why not teacher don't teach every subject? If the student learn all subjects, why not teachers don't teach every subject?
The teacher is not capable of teaching every subject. Like, the teacher is not available at 24/7, but the AI can create so many solutions for you. It is available on 24/7. If you have any doubt, you can ask from the AI, and the teacher cannot explain the all your problems, but AI can do, and also it's always available for you.
Why not teachers capable to teach all subjects? Now time AI provide, but in our past, who is AI and who is Google? Now time only teachers provide. So why are you saying teachers are not capable to teach all subjects, and the teachers available all time? You come the home and teach, or to learn all things, and teachers always say your doubt is clear or not.
Teachers are not available at night, but AI also available at night, at any time. But in we are talking about not past, we are talking about in this generation. This generation is always study with AI. We learn many languages with AI, but can't learn with our teachers, because teachers don't know many languages.
When you are a child, if you go to enter the classroom in the nursery, so you cannot write anything. If you cannot talk anything, your teacher support you. You can write A, B, C, D, and you can write many things. AI does not take AI AI does not take care of you and your feelings, your emotion. AI cannot write A, B, C, D, but your teacher uh, पकड़ के catch your hand and write A, B, C, D, and is your teacher is support you. You can do anything. You can write, and you can speak, and you do anything.
Provide assistive technologies and real-time translation to help students with disabilities or those learning a new language.
Follow, ma'am. If you are talking about nursery students, so AI also knows ABCD, and I don't need any teacher support. Like, he's only my teacher. I go to school for only study, not any motivation or any support. I'll be self-motivated and I will grow my confidence. So obviously I don't need any teacher support, and I have AI to learn ABCD.
If you are 3 years old and 4 years old children, so children do not understand AI, and they do not understand who is learn AI, and if children do not understand what is going on here, and who is taught to you. Teachers understands you write and you learn. AI does not teach you as a children. If you are mature and you can understand the pupils, and you watch AI and you search AI, then he answer. If 3 years and 4 years children does not type anything.
In this generation, newborn kids use AI. Like, they don't eat food without their phone. They also uses phone. Like, a 3-4 year kid knows how to use AI or something. And like 3-4 years, children don't go to school or anywhere. They can learn from AI on their homes. They don't need to go school.
Teaches well because they have infinite time and energy, but human teacher does not teach well because they does not have time and infinite energy. So that's why teacher does not attention to every students.
AI teachers cannot attention in their students because students have different mindsets, and only teachers can understand, and they know how to teach students in different ways. Students have different mindsets, so teachers can attention all the students, but AI cannot because only teachers understand.
Teachers come in my class and sit on the chair, and he does not teach every student. He keeps it on chair, and time is finished, and he go.
Computers are based on ability of electricity. To school in rural areas, and the bad with the condition where electricity is not available, computers will not be able to teach. Where are the teacher can continue teaching in expert of weather condition, power cuts. So I do not think that.
First of all, I am not agree to your thoughts. School management, it's all depends are electricity and around transport area of school are all depends of school management. School provide AI teachers and AI computer system. Then school provide a management of electricity, and suppose that school around area was transport was not better than teachers was come to school. To how to teachers come in school and teach to student. That's
There are many schools who don't afford AI teachers in their school, and there are many overloadings and short circuits in school because of AI teachers, and we have to check all months the computers.
my question is करके बोलता हूँ.
My question is, AI is a like smart robot brain. It helps computer think and make correct decision.
AI also make a human brain, and whom AI make, and AI make. मैम 2 लाइन खत्म हो गया. If you take a laptop and to school, everyone will you think you are rude, foppish, and stupid. And if you take off a book, everyone will you think you are an educated person.
Nowadays, everybody in 10th or 12th after computer course. Why?
Ma'am,
First of all, if someone is carrying a laptop or something else, so he will not called a foppish. You are a fool that you are loading tons of book on your shoulder. It's very heavy, but if you can carry a laptop, the thousands of book can be stored in the laptop, and the laptop can help you more than books, and you will be free from the load on your shoulder.
Phone is dive. Then when do you use AI from your phone? Do you not need of books? If your phone dive, then you need of books. You don't want of book, AIs. But there are no electricity in the room.
No teacher on earth can check a million papers without making mistakes or delay. But AI is knows
Everything.
everything.
लिमिट होता है डोमीटर
AI has a limit to check papers. If AI check many papers, so it have overheating, overloading, and etc. It also crash systems.
AI teacher cannot provide emotional support and personal connections like human teacher.
You have a good emotional support from your teacher, but what if any conversation was going on with your teacher and you are abusing him behind him and he listened to you, so he can beat you and he will be drag you in this situation, and also he will do the same as you abused him, so he will do anything. But if you abused AI and you did something to him, so AI will not beat you or he will not abuse you. It will only make you understand, and AI will can't beat you.
not insult and compare to every student to each other, but human teacher compare to every student to each other student.
So first of all, we learn many language with AI, but can't learn many language with teachers, because teachers don't know many language, and AI know hundreds of language, but teachers doesn't know more languages than AI. Are French citizens, so you know how to speak French language. So why are you learning different languages? And English is the official languages, so you can learn. But why are you learning other languages?
Suppose that South Indian student and Malayalam student are going to Oxford University for complete your study. So those teachers are not understand Malayalam and Tamil. To this condition student, what do you want?
Some of the students of a teacher are also like that. The teachers pay more attention to those who are good in study and try to make them understand and make the good in studies.